again guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna discover the Cascades of Time Gardens here at Banff, Alberta. So if you like this video, please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to keep you updated on my latest vlogs. Today, let's discover the Cascades of Time Gardens here at Banff, Alberta, Canada. The Cascades of Time Gardens are a little oasis just minutes walking distance from downtown Banff. It's the perfect place to get off the beaten path and escape the crowds of Banff Avenue. The gardens are terraced into the hillside with pathways and rock steps that lead through trees and flower beds. Several gazebos and seating shelters make a great refuge from the sun on a hot summer day. It is very beautiful during summertime, but it is also awesome and the view is very amazing even in wintertime. You will also see the beauty of the Cascades of Time Garden during the late May to early September, but you can enjoy a stroll through the grounds during other months when it's not fully snowbound, and admission to this garden is free. During the fall, the colors of the foliage make up for the lack of flowers. The gardens are missed by many tourists because they are tucked at the back of the property that's shared with the Parks Canada Administration Office. The office sits in a historic stone structure that was built in 1935. Iconic view that can be seen on many postcards is taken from the front of the park's building. This spot offers a great sight line looking down Banff Avenue towards Cascade Mountain, towering at the end of it. Admission to the Parks Canada building is also free. It has interactive exhibits about Canada's land and people. How to get to Cascades of Time Gardens? From downtown Banff, follow Banff Avenue to the south end and cross over the bridge on the Bow River. You will see the Stone Parks building ahead of you. Cross the street and go through the wrought iron gate. Follow the path towards the back of the property until you reach the gardens. The other entrance is on Mountain Avenue around the left side of the parks building. This 4-acre park was built in the 1930s and features gardens terraced into the hillside. Visitors looking to escape the hustle and bustle of town can wander along the garden's many pathways and discover numerous water features and timber and stone pavilions. Gazebos and other shelters offer a break from rain or sun and a place to stop for a picnic. The garden is free to the public and flowers from late June until early September. Established in 1935, the park building on the property was the first national park building in Canada, represented by the government. It was built from materials of the area, and the gardens were meant to be a reminder of the geological history of the Rocky Mountains. The Cascades of Time Gardens in Banff, Alberta, Canada are a series of tiered floral beds with over 50,000 flowers. Peak bloom sightseeing months run between June to September. There are guides and interpretive tours running during the summer months. Admission is free for those who would like to enjoy their own self-guided tours. There are archways, ponds and fountains, stone pathways, and rock steps throughout the garden. There are viewing benches, gazebos, and sitting shelters located along most of the paths, most in shade. The largest fountain is embedded in a pond located on the front lawns of the park building. From the front lawn of the gardens looking down the center of Main Street, Banff Avenue, there are great views of the village of Banff, Alberta, Canada, and the shops and stores.
Of the day.
So guys, when you come visit Banff, Alberta, it's a must-see here and stop over here at the Cascades of Time Gardens. This is so beautiful during winter time, but most especially during summertime. So what are you waiting for? Come visit Banff, Alberta. And I hope you like this video, and if you do guys, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click that notification bell to keep you updated on my latest video. And enjoy the rest of the video, and I hope to see you soon on my next vlog. Take care and be safe.